Hi everyone, Jonathan Taylor here with Andromeda District at another of our beautiful projects. This is a restaurant. We invite you to come here to Coral Way, to Miracle Mile, and enjoy this amazing Latino modern eatery. Essentially what we offer is the customization of planters and plant holders. This is a beautiful and amazing way to set yourself and set your business apart from the rest. So our customers can actually come to our store, select the planters or the vases, okay? They select the plant and we do the potting for them. We can also do the delivery and essentially create a very unique and customized experience for them. This is really good because it elevates the brand. It separates this restaurant from the other restaurants, and it really also helps communicate the kind of product and the kind of experience, the kind of value that they're offering to the end consumer. It's as simple as just coming to our store, selecting the base, selecting the plant and the messaging that you like, and we can do the rest, okay? We take care of you in a way that is cost effective and work with your budget. Thank you so much for your support for the entire South Florida. It has been a great honor to be doing this work with you and to work for you guys and to be at the service of our community, helping create natural spaces that are unique and help our customers with the bottom line. Thank you so much.